Hello and welcome back to another macro day here at Scriptcase by Jamie. And you may have guessed it already, but this week's macro is another action bar macro. And this time we are looking at the SC underscore action bar underscore disable. And it disables the button. And within that we add our button in here, just like that. And it does not work within the blank application and has scope for the grid application. So only within the grid application does this action bar macro function. So again, we access here our grid application just like we did in last week's macro video. And here we will again access our events and on record. We have our action bar buttons there already. If you missed that, do be sure to check out last week's video and the week before that, because there we had the action bar hide and show. And these two macros allow you to dynamically hide and show your buttons, just as we have within this grid application. So I'll go ahead and run that. We can see what is happening there right now. And if we view that, we are basically hiding and displaying the edit button when the user is no longer active. And just like that, we can hide buttons and use buttons for indicators or for whatever purpose we please. We could even use these indicator buttons as redirection and direct a user in a specific direction or for a specific purpose or whatever you please, really. Okay, so back here within the grid application, we have here the SC action bar underscore show. So here I will comment this one out. I'll hide or comment out the hide, and here the action bar show. Let me go ahead and change that to disable, and then I will go ahead and run here my grid application, and then we can check out the grid, and then here we will see that now the edit button has been disabled. And of course we can apply that also for a group maybe and make those adjustments depending, using a switch or an if else statement or whatever you please. And then back within the grid application we can then enable the button for alternative purposes. And I'm afraid of course that the enable button is next week. So be sure to check out next week's macro video where we will continue with the action bar and enable the button when the state is inactive. So thanks for watching and catch you in the next video.